Good afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack. I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much. I noticed that I have hit 50 subscribers, and to a lot of you, that's nothing, but to me, it's a milestone. So I appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe and continue to watch the videos. And thank you a lot to Diamond Grandma, because she is always so gracious in helping new subscribers, helping new YouTube channel people get out there by shouting them out on her videos. And she doesn't have to do that, but thank you again. Okay, so today we are doing a new haul from Shop Any Deals. Now, this is the first time I've ever really ordered for them, so I was really excited to get this. I got this, placed this order July the 8th, and then it was basically shipped on the, I guess, like the next couple of days, on the 11th. And then I got it just about 3 days ago. So let's get into it. So this first one is a keychains. Now, I did some keychains for the Christmas in July. They were Christmas gnomes, and I really liked them. And so I thought, well, I want to do some more. Now, these are not Christmas at all, but I thought that's okay. So we have just a regular toolkit, a boat, a little thing of wax, and a pen. And here are the keychain part. And here are the drills. I'll go ahead and get those out. Now, these were they're 5-piece diamond painting kid keychain crystal drills, and they're $9.99. Okay, so we'll get these. So these are really cute, and they're double-sided. Drill field looks really clear on both sides. So, and they're unicorns. So is this one? They're really cute. Here and there. Okay? And they've got a cover over them, but they're already sticky. So their drill field is really good. And like I said, double-sided. Double-sided. Okay, so looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, a big and little special deal, little stars, little marquees here. Looks kind of almost pink, red, and like silver maybe, or purple, white, pretty green, blue, looks orangey, pink, yellow, and ooh, this really pretty. It's like a silver, a blue, almost a blue silver, and I don't know. I would think it almost has that AB effect to it, where it has like the kind of really shiny, but I don't know if that is the case. I don't know. And so each of them, each keychain has a really good clear drill field. So Obviously there's no legend. You just go with each bag has a number or a symbol. So like a division sign, an equal sign, star, a letter M, positive. Looks like an arrow that's pointing up, a U, O, W, a number 8, I, and A. So it's a mixture of letters and symbols and numbers. So I can't wait to do these. I still haven't, on my other ones, the gnome ones, I still haven't sealed those. I'm kind of, I don't do really good on sealing, but I am going to seal it and let you know, because I think that with these you definitely need to seal them. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this is blue clay. I've heard other people talk about this, and so I don't think I've ever gotten it, so I wanted to try something. So it's just, and you guys, it is just one piece. I paid $2.99 for this, so this better work fabulous, because it is just one piece. So the cover comes off. So like I said, this better work great. Okay, now this I'm really excited about. This is a diamond painting. It's a notebook. I've seen other people on other channels do these. I thought it was a little bigger, but it's not bad, I guess, for what I want to keep it for. Standard tray, wax, and a pen. And here are the drills. I hope everybody is having a great day. It is 103 today. I had to work. I was on call, so I got called out about, well, I went into the hospital probably about like 10 o'clock, and I was there till about 2.5 hours. And then my daughter and I went to go look at a house that her and my son-in-law are saving up to buy a house. So, and it's like 15 minutes from us, which is really not that big of a deal, but the house was under contract and no one told us. So we were out there for like maybe 10 or 15 minutes waiting to hear from somebody. So I was kind of not a happy camper. So, all right. So here are the drills. So we've got a blue marquise, this is kind of a pink, almost red pink color, and blue again. This is kind of like an aqua blue, and this is like a darker blue. Maybe this is more of a peach, and white, and a little thicker special shades, white and blue. And here's this. It looks, well, this doesn't look as much like an AB as the other kit does, but it is really pretty, kind of a really dark blue. And this is kind of reminds me like a sea color. Now see this again, because it's like orange, but then the top of it is white or almost kind of silver. And it doesn't have DMC numbers on it, so I'm not really sure. And then this is just like silver. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it is A, B, C, and D. So letters, numbers, and letters. And here is the notebook. This is 50 pages and it's blank, which is perfect because what I plan on using it for is to put down whenever I do my videos and the things that I order. So just like, to put down, if the stick was good and all that good stuff. So stick is really good. Really good. And this is kind of a Mandela kind of a pattern. And the drill fill is very clear. I'm not seeing, it's a little, it is clear, but it's kind of a little faded, but you can still make out the letters and the numbers. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. And this was $10. Oh, and the I told you that the keychain was keychain was $9.99. The glue was $2.99, and that glue better be fabulous again. And this is $10. Okay, so this I'm really looking forward to doing. And I hopefully will be able to do a completion video on these fairly soon. I have one last Christmas in July project that I'm working on. So I'm hoping, I know I'll get it finished in the next day or two, but I'm hoping to get the video done this week as well. Okay, so the last one, and this is going to be a Christmas gift, is a DIY special shade clutch drill. And I really like this. This is really cute. It's a butterfly. Oh, and it is just the butterfly that where the drills will be placed. Nice, really stick on it. Zip it. Oh, and the contents are in the bag. Okay, so it's not bad, to use makeup bag or, just to keep whatever you want in. It's not a bad bag. All right, so your basic tool set, a boat, wax, and a pin. And the drill. And this is also $10. Nice, clear drill fill. All right. There we go. And I think that there is just 8 colors and shades. Maybe not. No. Yes. 8 colors and shapes. All right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all numbers. It's pretty kind of a gold. And then silver, pretty green, red, and then kind of like a real light diamond, I guess, color, and then medium-sized marquees, small marquee, I think that's how you say it, and the large, and 8, and they go on right on the center, and it's 4, and they only sent 4, so I better not lose one of them or we'll be in big trouble. But not bad. The drills look pretty good. I'm not seeing that kind of like, sometimes on the clear ones you get that kind of like scratchy look to them. But I'm not seeing, just looking at them from the bags. Okay. All right, so I am going to try to get these done in the next day or two so that I can do a completion on them. All right, so to recap, we have the clutch bag, and they say a leather handbag kit, and this is $10. That notebook, 50 pages with the fill on the front. That is $10 as well. My unicorn keychains that are double-sided. Those were $9.99, and then here's the key part that goes right, the chain part that goes right through the top of them. And then this expensive blue wax. I don't know if they were supposed to put more in here, but like I said, this better be good. So that is my haul from Shop Any Deals. I am very excited to work on these, so I will probably get on them and try to get it done. So you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Again, thank you for all of my subscribers. I really, really appreciate it. If you or anyone else would like to join my little family, I would love it. Please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you would hit that like button on your way out, and if you would like to hit the little bell to be notified anytime that I put up a new video. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Please stay cool in this hot weather. So stay cool and keep crafting, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.